Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Adelaide and I are outside right now because we are about to head over to my in-laws. I'm just gonna walk because they live right down the road from us. We are heading over there because Drew is actually milking the cows. My in-laws own a dairy farm and Drew is milking the cows tonight. And Lillian is already over there, so I'm gonna have her feed the calves because she did that one time and was kind of scared, so I'm gonna see if she will want to do it again this time. Ready? Okay, let's go.
You can't hug me right now. No, I'm too dirty. No. But you can give me a kiss again. I'm too dirty. You can give me a kiss though. Mwah! Love you. You gonna feed a cow? You gonna feed a baby cow? Okay. I'll go get you the bottle, okay?
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold.
See, it's drinking. Nummy. Look at that. You gotta hold it, Lily. Help Dad.
I don't.
Lily, why not?
Help me. It's heavy. Please, Lillian. Please, I need your help.
Look at, he's cute, he's a baby.
Please, Lillian.
No.
Oh, it's too heavy. Please, thank you. Good job.
Oh, no.
Oh, you're doing it. You're doing great. There you go. Good job. Look at that. She's gonna drink it all gone.
I'm not done.
You're all done? Okay. Thanks for helping. Look at that. Look at that. Cap loves it. She's like, nummy.
Hee.
You're such a good helper.
What's this?
Oh, that scared him. Scared.
There you go. All done. Hey, Eddie.
Good job, Lily.
I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen. The happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green. And all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming.
Now let's go wash our hands, okay? What? The moon?
Oh,
when Drew and I were dating, I would help him milk sometimes. On Sundays after church, I would come home with him and then we would milk together. And it was actually really fun because we just like talked, and I didn't help him that much, but it was fun. Lily, should we go get an apple?
Yeah.
All right. You like apples from the tree, don't you? That's like the only way she'll eat them is if she picks them from the tree. Right.
Take me out. Take me out. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day.
Is it yummy? Okay, Drew is about done milking and then we're gonna head home together. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my in-laws farm and watching Drew milk and Lillian feeding the calf, kind of. And please give this a video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Take me out to California, where the sun is always